In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a second monitor in DaVinci Resolve to improve your editing workflow and make your setup more efficient. If you want more space and better control while editing, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, you need to open DaVinci Resolve. Once it's up and running, it's time to choose the project you'll be working on. Whether you're starting a new project or continuing with an existing one, simply click on it to open. This brings you directly into your workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you have the project opened, it's crucial to navigate to the Edit page. This page hosts the timeline and a variety of tools that are essential for video editing. You can either click on the Edit Page tab located at the bottom of your screen, or press the shortcut to switch to this page quickly. Being on the Edit page will allow you to make precise edits while you split your tools across multiple monitors. After ensuring you're on the Edit page, look to the top of the screen and find the Workspace menu item. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is all about customizing how your DaVinci Resolve workspace is laid out. You'll notice a multitude of options here, a testament to DaVinci's capability to adapt to your personal preferences and enhance productivity. One of the options you'll see is Dual Screen. Click on this. Activating the dual screen option is where the transition to a multi-monitor setup truly begins. By enabling this feature, DaVinci Resolve will distribute your workspace elements across two screens. This is incredibly beneficial as it provides a much larger visual palette for your editing tasks. With dual screen enabled, you'll find one screen can be dedicated to your timeline, clips, and various essential editing tools, while the second monitor can support preview windows, color wheels, or even node views. This separation helps in reducing clutter on a single screen and allows for an uncluttered, more efficient editing experience. It's worth experimenting with different setups to discover what arrangement best suits your workflow needs. Remember, once you're familiar with these settings, you can toggle between single and dual screens effortlessly depending on the task at hand. Utilizing dual monitors can drastically transform how you interact with DaVinci Resolve, offering a new level of control and insight into your projects. And that's it. You now know how to use a second monitor in DaVinci Resolve to boost your productivity and create a smoother editing experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.